Yeah, they're just going to town on it before Halloween. Justin, it has been hot, and tonight you definitely can feel a shift.
Yeah, you can feel that south breeze and that moisture coming into the air. As the last 3 or 4 days we've been talking about every day of the wildfires. We had another one up there in Grant County. Marty Logan and Valcastor were up there north of the Nash area. That has been put out for the most part. And now we can start talking about much needed rain coming for a good portion of us. Some areas, I know, you're going to be disappointed. Up there in northwest Oklahoma, it'll probably be a lot lighter than it is down here across the metro, but nonetheless, we need the rain. Everyone does. As here for the year, we're nearly 11.5 inches below average. We've gone 5 straight months so far with below average precipitation. You got to go all the way back to May, where we had a surplus of over 2 inches, but the latter half of spring and throughout the summer, it has been brutal, and this is what you get. We've been showing this over and over, and it is not good. It is anywhere from severe to extreme to exceptional drought. We're not going to erase the drought, but we're going to help the drought a little bit as we have tropical moisture coming in from the south, big Pacific energy, and then look at the bowling ball of energy coming in here across the Rocky Mountains, and this is going to swing its way right through the southern plains. Already a big storm system producing some heavy snow across Montana, a lot of wind we've been experiencing, and now we're starting to see the ripples of energy come across here with the extra moisture and starting to see some showers and thunderstorms start to develop, and already a little bit of severe weather earlier out across the northern plains. But look at the moisture coming in from the tropics here across Texas. Look at all those showers and thunderstorms, and that's going to race to the north, and we're going to see a whole bunch of showers and thunderstorms as we wake up tomorrow morning. 75 degrees. It is quiet right now. South wind at 25. The dew point continues to climb up. It'll be into the 60s here when we wake up. These temperatures really won't fall too much more than the middle to upper 60s. So near record warm low. Once again, as we were 1 degree shy last night, we'll come a degree or two shy of it. I think the record tomorrow morning is 68. We'll maybe fall down to 66, 67, but nonetheless, a couple showers off towards the northwest, like I showed you earlier, that's tried to bubble up. I think we have a couple more hours before we get more showers and thunderstorms. By 5, 6 o'clock, here we go. We light the match, and showers and thunderstorms will quickly develop. Some pockets of some very heavy rain with this, a little bit of lightning. The instability in the atmosphere is not too high, but what we do have is a powerhouse jet stream. So once those thunderstorms gather strength, they can pull down that air, and we'll have to watch if we get a couple ribbons or a couple lines of embedded thunderstorms, especially here across the metro, Stillwater metro down to the south. This could produce a little bit of localized damaging winds along with a very heavy rain. And as you can see, that line marches to the east. By mid to late afternoon, it's out of here, and then the upper level low comes in with more scattered light to moderate showers throughout the evening into the overnight. So it's going to be a little wet. Tomorrow, lots of cloud cover, good chance of showers and thunderstorms, especially the early and middle half of the day. By late afternoon, the rain, breaking the rain for the most part. Temperatures overnight in the 60s, and then those north winds take over, and the rain develops from west to southwest, takes over across the state. And again, that slight chance of a severe weather. Couple gusty thunderstorms with that line that comes in mid to late morning into early afternoon tomorrow. Storm trackers will be out. We'll have a coverage here tomorrow morning with Jed and Lacey on that, and a good chance of walled showers and thunderstorms. And by tomorrow afternoon, we go from the middle to upper 60s to the middle to lower 50s with a rain that'll be a little chilly with the north wind Monday night into Tuesday morning. Rain amounts anywhere from 1/4 to 1/2 inch to 1 to 2 to 3 to 4 inches here across the metro and off towards the east. So some good soaking rains here in the next 24 hours, and more rains possible as we head towards Friday. And Halloween day right now looks around 70 with partly sunny skies. The Blitz is up next.